Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Right, so today I just want to talk about how to make money, the way rich people make money. Right, so you see most of our normal people, we do some small business. Right, we go to work, we study really hard, we go to work. Right, that's how normal people like us, you and me, make money. Or we are just maybe, if we are going to do a business, we are going to do like an insurance or real estate kind of business. So not to say that those are not good, but those are very common and competitive. Can you imagine if you are an insurance agent, how many are there? Can you imagine if you are a real estate agent, how many are there in the world? Right. So yes, they are still good, but what I am thinking is, if you are not suitable, what do you do? So the main difference between how a rich person make money and how a normal person make money is, they start something, they analyze the market, they see what people need, and they sell it. Right? So you need to analyze the market, understand what people are looking for, and you provide this service. And if the service is so good that they can recommend to other people, then you have got something going. Right? I think that's very important. You study the likes of Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Jack Ma. Even like in Singapore, you can look for like Wee Cho Yaw, who started UOB. They provide a service that people need. Right? So you need to understand your own industry, your own strength, and start something that you need. And of course, I always have a disclaimer. Right? Do not just quit your job and go and start something. Right? You always start something, start having an income, then you switch over. Right? Because you need to eat. Right? It's just to manage your daily expenses. Right? Start something, understand the market, adjust and change your products and services. And when your services and products, when you sell all these products, you will understand the market better, and then you can start to switch over when your income from there becomes more than your income from work. Right? This is exactly what I'm doing as well. I'm doing YouTube, I'm doing training. This is something that I'm passionate about, because I go through many things when I was younger. And I always say, do not follow a mentor, a coach, a leader blindly. Right? Be in religious circle, or in at work, or anywhere for that matter. Right? So always come up, analyze, and come up with your own decision. You must always remember that you take all this skill set, you take all this ideology, and create something yours. Then you become yours. Always remember that. So okay, thank you for watching my video today. I hope that this is useful for you. And please take care and happy Chinese New Year. It's nearing Chinese New Year. And thank you for watching the video. And just do it. Right? That's what I have to say. Thank you. Bye bye.